Hey guys, Veronica Taylor. I'm the new head stylist for Daily Look, and today I'm going to show you some transitional pieces that'll be showing up in your box this month. As we say goodbye to summer, I think the sweetest way to do that is in this BCBG Generation Eyelet Twin Set. It's so cute, and I also think you could take the shorts, pair it with a white button down, throw a blazer over it, and make it perfect for work. I think this is a great staple for everyone's closet. An army green jacket can go with pretty much anything, even a nicely printed little cami, some light wash denim, perfect for a summer barbecue. I'm absolutely obsessed with this cameo top. It's fun, it's flirty, it's feminine. The open shoulders just make it the perfect transitional top to take it from desk to dinner. Another classic staple, this beautiful spaghetti strap dress with a really sweet print. It would also be super cute if you tied the jean jacket around your waist to accentuate your curves or even threw it over your shoulders. Ciao! I call this my Italian Riviera look. I think it's so cute. This top goes off the shoulder. If you wanted to get really wild with it, you could tie a bandana around your neck, and I think a woven bag would just complement this outfit perfectly. I hope you've enjoyed these looks as much as I've enjoyed styling them. Let me know which one's your favorite down below.